Good morning. I need help. My car won't start today.
Good morning. Don't worry. Tell me what happened.
I turned the key, but nothing happened. No sound.
Okay. Did the lights turn on?
No, the lights are off too.
That sounds like a battery problem.
Battery? But I bought a new battery last year.
Sometimes batteries die early. Did you leave the lights on last night?
Oh, yes, I think I did. I was very tired.
That happens a lot. Don't worry.
Can you check it now?
Sure, please open the hood. Yes, the battery is dead, but it's not damaged.
So, do I need a new one?
No, not today. I will charge it.
That's good news. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait.
All right, try to start the car now.
Wow, it started! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. One more thing.
Yes?
Next time, don't forget to turn off the lights.
I promise. This car taught me a lesson today.
Cars are good teachers sometimes.
Yes, they are. See you again, but not too soon.
I hope so. Drive safe.